Jamaica's Reggae Girlz' attempts to create more history suffered a hiccup on Wednesday when they lost their opening Group B game 1-0 to Mexico in the CONCACAF Olympic Qualifying Championships underway in Texas in the United States. More in this report. Mexico came into the game with a chip on their shoulder, having not made it to last summer's World Cup in France, the tournament in which the Reggae Girlz made their debut. Since then, however, the Mexicans have expanded their local women's league, leaving spaces open for Mexican Americans, and several were on the HEB Park on Wednesday. The Jamaicans were stretched early on, but managed to maintain the scoreline at 0-0 until 9 minutes before the halftime break. The Reggae Girlz failed to clear their lines, and Venezuela pounced in minute 36 to put Mexico in front. Jamaica looked more decisive in the second half, but could not find a goal, even though they breached the Mexican defense on occasion. Head coach Hubert Busby conceded that the team was hindered by match rustiness.
And I definitely thought we were a better team in the second half, and credit to the players. They played and competed for 90 minutes, and obviously we're very unlucky not to not to put away our chances to obviously go and win that game.
The Reggae Girlz picked up a scare late in the game with mercurial striker Khadijah Bunny Shaw being stretchered off after a clash of heads as Jamaica pressed for a goal.
We did have her go to the hospital as a precautionary measure more than anything else, but she's good day to day. Had her this morning at breakfast, and she's in good hands with our medical group. So we're just going to see how things are, but she's much better today.
Shaw led the team with regular captain Konya Plummer on the bench, and Busby gave an update on the player who recently signed with the Orlando Pride in the US NWSL.
Konya came into camp not 100%, so rather than risk her right off the bat, on the advice of the medical team and the performance staff, the idea and in speaking with her is to kind of give her a couple more days to get to where she should be, and obviously look forward to having her ready for the game against Canada on Saturday, providing she comes through some tests.
The Reggae Girlz will next face group favorites Canada on Saturday.